Welcome to Travel and Living. Today we're diving into the secrets of your tire. Buckle up and let's get started. I'm unlocking the secrets of your tire. That's right, by the end of this video, you'll be reading your tire like a pro. So let's dive right in. First off, take a close look at the sidewall of your tire. You'll see a bunch of numbers and letters. Don't worry, I'm here to decode it all for you. This is your tire's DNA. Ready? Okay, let's start with the tire size. You might see something like P225/50R17. P stands for passenger vehicle. Easy, right? The next part, 225, is the tire's width in millimeters. Wider tires mean more grip, but they can also affect fuel efficiency. Moving on, the 50 is the aspect ratio. This tells you the height of the sidewall as a percentage of the width. So, 50 means the height is 50% of the tire's width. Lower numbers mean sportier handling but a stiffer ride. Next up, the R stands for radial construction. That's almost every tire on the road today. And 17? That's the diameter of the wheel in inches. Make sure your tire matches your wheel size or it won't fit properly. Ready for more? Check out the load index and speed rating. It looks like 94V. The load index, 94, tells you the maximum weight the tire can safely carry. There's a chart for that, so Google it. And the speed rating, V, indicates the maximum safe speed. V means up to 149 miles per hour. Not that you'll hit those speeds, but it's good to know. Let's talk about the DOT code. This tells you about the tire's safety standards and its age. Look for a series of letters and numbers starting with DOT. The last 4 digits are the most crucial. They represent the week and year the tire was made. So if you see 2319, it means the tire was made in the 23rd week of 2019. Tires older than 6 years? Think about replacing them. Safety first. Finally, look for the treadwear, traction, and temperature grades. Higher numbers mean longer-lasting tires. And the traction and temperature grades, they tell you how well the tire stops on wet roads and resists heat. You want good grades here, trust me. Alright, that's it. You're now a tire reading expert. Next time you're checking your tires, you'll know exactly what you're looking at. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drive safe, and see you next time.